Family, you get tonight's showpiece advantage, an extra clue that no one else gets. Yes, it's just that sense of accomplishment, like that we got it right. Tears of joy. Right, tears of joy. And we want to thank Cheryl Hines for being our guest judge tonight. Cheryl, we're giving you these lemon meringue eclairs to remember us by. Please wash the platter and return it. That actually doesn't belong to us. It's Robin Fix. Time for our next crime scene kitchen. This is our main event, showpiece time, where the dessert is more complex and the worst job will be eliminated tonight. Vendors, the crime scene kitchen is once again Caesar popsicles and sun crafted. Caesar will love them.
Yeah.